to one and all. Please join fastly, everyone. Happy morning
Yeah.
to all. Have a have a happy day. This is Sahin signing into the max session. Let's have some fun and tips and tricks for the max. Let's start. We are going to start our session with some tips and tricks. Yes, this is about table 4. Already you have done 2 and 3 table and hope so you have practiced your weekend days. Okay, now this is about 4 table. Let's see the simple method to learn 4 table. Let's join with me. Yes, children. See here, this is about 4 table. So, what we have to do? We have to draw like a mountain. Yes, first you draw like this, bottom to up, then after that one more line like a mountain you will draw na? Yes, like that, draw it. Okay, like 4 line. After that, write down the number, even numbers. You know na even numbers now, you know all of you know even numbers. Yes, 2, then write up 4, then write 6, then write 8, and the numbers which are ending with 0 is also an even number. So write down last. Okay. Yes. And in the same way, one more triangle you have to draw. One more triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Like a mountain. Okay. Yes. Then again write down the same numbers, even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. After writing this, yes, you have completed writing. Yeah. After this, what you have to do? Now, children, don't write now. Just listen, okay? This is the just simple technique I am telling you to learn the table. Okay? Yeah. Now, let's start. Yes. See here on the top, 4 and 8 is there. So in that front, start writing 0. Okay. Then the second row is 2. 1. Then here the next number is 6 join 1 and the trouble number will become 2. Okay. Yes, 1 increase. Then another number is 4. Here write down 2 and this one write down 2. Yes. After that, you have to write next number comes 3, 3, and trouble numbers coming means it will get increase the number change 4. Yes, we got it 4 table. Yes, 4 table. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are. Let's start. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. This is 3, 12. 4 fours are 16. Repeat with me, children. 4 fours are 16. Yes. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. We got the table. I will show you one more clipping. Okay, you have to repeat with me. Yes. So the table 4. Repeat with me. Yes, children. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. Yes, child. 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are 28. Yes. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay? Yes. One more time, repeat, children. Yes. Repeat from this table. You can enlarge and repeat. Yes, just tap it. It will get enlarged. Yes. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. And 4 tens are 40. Okay, children? Yes. Practice nicely. Okay? Yes. So I hope so. You are going to practice this week 4 table. Okay, children? Okay? Practice well. Okay, now we are going to start the session. Okay, come on, children, join with me for the continuation of lesson number 2. Yes, yes, children, we are going to continue today lesson number 2, addition. Yes, today is the statement sum, that is the word problem. Let's start. Yes. So before that, you have to keep it some important things in the mind. Yes, already we have discussed that addition means another name of addition is sum. If the word sum comes, that also addition. Okay. Sum also means addition. And in all, in all word also is the addition only. Yes. If the word total comes, total, do the total. That also means addition. Yes. All together. All together also is an addition. So keep all these things in the mind. Okay? Yes. Sum means addition. In all means addition. Total means addition. All together means addition. Okay? If any of these words are coming, you have to do addition. Okay? Yes. Now, let's start our simple sum. Let's start. Yes, children. Come on, join with me. Yes, there is an apple shop. You can see, children? Yes, there is an apple shop. Yes, and one man is there who is selling the apple. His name is Jamia. Okay, and he is selling the apples. Okay, yes. Now he want to know. Yes, so Monday he sold 200 246 apples. Monday he sold 246 apples. Okay. And Tuesday he sold 121 apple. And he want to know that how much he sold for these 2 days. So he want to know the total of these 2 days. Total means what to do, children? We have to add. Yes. Yes. So what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to first write the statement. Okay. Yes. Children. Yes. Hello. Hmm. Yes. Now you have to do statement. Let's start. First one. Apple sold on Monday. Apple sold on Monday is. Please mute children. Sabrish. Tulsi. Please mute ma. Yes. Um, Monday. Monday they sold 246. Okay. Then on Tuesday he sold apples 121. Now we want the total number of apples he sold. Total. We want total number of apples sold. Is what to do? Total means we have to add we have to add together. Got it? Yes. So now after writing this, you have to write the numbers in appropriate places 246 and then 121. Okay. And you can write down 100, tens and ones. Now start doing the addition. Yes, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Yes, children. I know you did correctly. 7. 4 plus 2. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Yes, very good. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Yes, 367 apples. He sold for the 2 days. So Jamia sold how many apples? 367 apples. So he sold 367 apples in all. Wow, we have solved the sum. Got it? How to write the statement sum, children? Yes, you have to write the statement in a proper way. Okay, let's do one more sum, interesting sum. Hope you are enjoying the statement sum. Yes, you can see the two ants. Yes, they are taking in one van. It is having, yes, petrol. Okay, yes, small vans are there, containers. Okay, that is having, one is having tankers. Two small tankers are there. First one is having petrol and second one is having, second tanker is having diesel. Okay, yes. So how much petrol it is having? 243 liter. Yes. And the diesel tanker is having 235 liter. Now, yes, we are going to add 243, sorry, 8. And another one is having 200 for 85, 85 liter. 248 and 285 liters. Now we are going to add together. Okay, small vans are there, tankers are there. Let's do it. Yes. Yes. Let's change it. Yes. 200, it got printed. 248. Yes. 248 and yes. Now let's start. Liters of petrol tanker is having 248 and the liters of diesel is having is 285. 285. Now what we have to do, we want total number of liters carried by two tankers. By two tankers. By both the tankers are how much? Let's add total we want. 8 plus 3, 8 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you know how to write 2 and yes, sorry. Yeah, 5, 8 in the mind. Yes, 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, yes, child. Yes, 13. And 1 should be carrying up. Yes, 1 plus 4, 5. 5. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, 5 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 3. And one more 1 is there, carry 1. Yes, put it here, 1. Yes, children. Yes. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 4, 5. So total is 533 liters. We got the answer. Yes. The two tankers. So we got the answer. The two tankers carried how much? 533 liters. Yes, children? Yes, hope so. You have enjoyed. Yes. Yes. So, the same way you have to do the different sums in your classwork and workbook. Okay, children? Yes. So, same way you have to do it in your classwork and in your workbook. Now, the sums are going to explain you by Dubni ma'am. Dubni ma'am? Dubni ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Shall I stop?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Or you
Can you
want?
stop sharing, ma'am? A few minutes. Yes.
Sure.
Okay. Children,
Okay.
now, are you all sitting straight? Are you all sitting straight? Check your postures. Are you all sitting straight? Sit straight. Everybody sit straight. Yes, now you are looking for a long time, no? Now we have to going to do IE exercise. Yes, listen and do it, okay? Yes. Now, look right. Now look upward. Left. Now down. Look right. Up. Leftward. Look right. Up. Look left side. Now look left side. Up. Right side.
Not audible, ma'am.
Now child. Look left side. Upward. Right. Now look right. Down. Left side. Look right. Down. Left side. Like U shape. You have to look in the U shape. Right, down, left. Again, right, down, left. Okay. Now, left, upward, right. Left, upward, right. Okay. Hope you all feel free, feel relaxed. Now, let's go to the math session.
Audible, ma'am.
Shaheen, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Audible, ma'am.
Yes,
Rubini,
ma'am. Is
ma'am.
it audible, right?
No, it's
Yes, ma'am.
audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Continue.
Thank you. Now we are going to look the statement sums, right? Statement sums, word problems. It's really very easy one. You can score in the exams very more. Okay. Now, steps to follow the statement sum. Steps to follow the statement sum. You have to read the word problem twice or thrice. Okay. You have to read the word problems twice or thrice. And then you have to underline the important questions. Okay. Important question sentence alone, you have to underline it. Then circle the key terms. Circle the important information or key terms. Okay. Then you have to solve, draw a picture, make a chart, or you just to get your knowledge, you can draw the pictures like last time we draw, no? Likewise, you can draw any pictures to make it possible to you, make it easy to you. Okay. Then show all your work. Write the answer properly at the down. First, you have to read, and then you have to underline the questions or circle the key terms. Then solve. Just plan for to solve. Okay. Then execute, and then write the answers in a complete sentence. Now, let's go to the. This sum we are going to show. This classwork we are going to send, so no need to copy. Listen carefully, okay? First, instructions to be followed while you are writing in the classwork. Write in neat and legible handwriting. You should write very neatly in your class note. Then only you can read it out easily. Otherwise, you couldn't read, you couldn't use that notes again, right? Yes. Next, you have to use only pencils. No other things like sketch, pens, you should not supposed to use, okay? Next, write the numbers inside the box. Try to write the numbers inside the box, okay? I know it is little difficult for you because you are going to write 3 numbers, but it's possible, okay? You can try it, okay? Yes. Next, we will go to the statement sum. Okay. First, you have to read the sum. Read the sum. See, a cricket team, a question. A cricket team scores 456 runs. 403 digits. So, 456 runs in the first innings. In the first innings. And 249 runs in the second innings. 249 runs in the second innings. How many runs did they score altogether? What is the question? How many runs did they score altogether? Okay. Now you got it. What is the question? How many runs did they score altogether? Now look at the key terms. What is the key term here? You all remember? What is the addition key term? What is the addition key term? So addition key term here. Add, altogether, both, combined, in all, increase, plus, sum, together, total. So all these are key terms. All these are key terms. So here, what is the key term here? All together. Circle it. All together is the key term in the question. All together is a key term for addition in this question. So we are going to do the addition. What numbers we are going to do? What is the important things here? Yes, 456. Sorry. 400, 456, 456 and then 249 runs. 456 runs and 249 runs. Okay, now look at here. What is the subject? What is the subject? Subject, objects, key term. These three will be in the question. Okay, cricket team scores. The subject. Cricket team scores. The runs is the objects. How many runs? So that's object. Object means you just think it in the count way. Okay, it's not the object, real object. It's a counts. Okay, then key term is all together. That is the key term. So we are going to do the addition. We are going to add these two numbers. We are going to write the statement. So what is the statement? The subject. Cricket team scores. Okay. So next, we are going to start the right answer. So leave one line. First, you have to mention HTO in the last, right? From right hand side, first you have to mention the place value. Then you proceed, okay? Otherwise, you will write from your sentence, then there will be no place at last. So you have to write first HTO, 100 place values. Then leave one line for the carry forward. Then you can write from your left hand side, okay? Now, see how can we write? How can we write? Runs scored in first innings. Here they told first innings, second innings. Cricket team scores in the first innings and in the second innings. So we are going to mention that first innings and second innings. What innings, what we are going to mention the numbers? Runs. So runs scored in the first innings. Runs scored in the first innings. Runs scored in the first innings what? 46 runs. So first we are going to write 456, 456, 400, 5, 10, 6 ones. You have to write in the correct place values. Next, runs scored in second innings. Runs scored in second innings. So what is the runs scored in second innings? 249. 200, 4 times 9 ones. You have to mention in the correct place. Then 456 and 249. What we are going to do? All together. All together. So addition. Plus sign and then is equal to. Okay, here they missed the plus sign. You have to mention the plus sign and then is equal to. You have to mention. Now, kindly somebody unmuted. Please mute yourself. Yes. Okay. Now, then, lastly, what we are going to find out? Total runs. Okay, total number of runs. Here, see, the number, N-U-M-B-E-R, it is a big word, no. You couldn't write all these things in the one line. So, abbreviation, short form of number is N-O dot.
Rupini ma'am, the screen went off. Just again click it. No?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Just because screen is not visible. Just click it.
Okay, ma'am. One second. Somebody stopped my screen sharing. Somebody sharing, ma'am. I couldn't. Loshini, kindly. Loshini. Stop sharing, ma'am. Okay, now it's visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Now, okay. Yes, start.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't touch the screen, children, please.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now visible. Yes, continue.
Number, total number of runs. So NO you have to mention. Okay, NO dot. Now, from which place value we will start to do the addition? From ones place. 6 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is what, my dears? 15 is what? 15 is what? 110 and 5 units. So 110 will goes to the tens carry forward and 5 will comes to the ones place value. Next, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to what? 6. So you can write in the box smallly 6 or if you want. Okay. Then 6 plus 4. Make it 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to what? Make 10. Do you remember 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to what? 10 is equal to what? 0 tens and 100. So 0 tens will come here. 100 will go as a carry forward. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 705. 705 is the answer. 705 is what? Total runs. Total runs. You have to write lastly. Answer is equal to 705 total runs. Okay. Next. One second. Yes. Next sum. Next sum. We are going to read the first sum.
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Kindly mute yourself.
1, 2.
Yes.
1.
Girija ma'am, can you help me? Yes, thank you. Thank you, children. Okay. See, first we have to read the sum. We have to read the sum, then underline the important numbers and key terms. Circle the key terms, then plan how to do. Okay. Key term, you have to plan what is the key term and what we are going to do. If it is all together, then kindly mute yourself, please. We are running out of time. We couldn't explain. Okay, so plus sign. Addition. We are going to do addition. If it is all together, it is the addition. Then finally, you have to do the sum and write the answers at last in a sentence. So answer is equal to 705 runs. The total runs you have to write. Okay. Yes. Next sum. We are going to first read the sum. Mr. Smith picked 231 plums. 231 plums from his garden on Friday. On Saturday, he picked 365 plums. 365 plums. How many plums did he picked in all? How many plums did he pick in all? Once again, Mr. Smith picked 231 plums from his garden on Friday. On Saturday, he picked 365 plums. How many plums did he pick in all? So, in all is the key term. Okay, in all means addition. Okay, next, what we are going to do? Add the number of plums. Number of plums. Number of plums what? Picked on Friday and Saturday. So first, leave one line and write place values. HTO. Okay, hundreds, tens, ones. Then leave one line for your carry forward numbers. Then you start. Okay, I told number, you can write NO. Number you can write NO dot. Okay. Because the short form you have to finish on one line. Okay. Otherwise it will confuse you. Okay. Number of plums picked on Friday. Here we are going to add plums only. So number of plums picked on Friday is equal to what? 231. 231. 200 3 tens, 1 ones. 10. Number of plums picked on Saturday. Number of plums picked on Saturday. Saturday, how many? 365 plums they picked. He picked. 300, 610, 5 ones. You have to mention the numbers in the correct place values. Don't forget this. Okay. Then we have to start from ones place value, then tens, and then 100. So first to ones place value. 1 plus 5. Successor. 1 plus 5 means successor to the 5. Successor is next number. 6. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. And then 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. Here they forgot to mention the sign. Don't forget to mention the sign, plus sign. Okay. Then 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So total number of plums. Total number of plums is equal to 500. 9, 10, 6 ones is 596. Lastly, you have to write answers is equal to 596 plums. 596 plums. Okay. Next sum. So this is your workbook exercise. Okay. So page number 11, you have to do this. Okay. First read the sum. A company sold 478 cars in the first year and 245 cars in the second year. How many cars did the company sell in all? Sell in all. So number of cars only we are going to add. In all means addition. So we are going to add.
720.
Yes. Okay. Number of cars only we are going to add. In all means addition. So we are going to add only what we are going to add. Number of cars. 478 cars and 245 cars. So number of cars sold in the first year. Here you can write number. Okay, see on screen I couldn't write properly. You have to write very neatly. NO dot off. You can start. Okay. Otherwise you couldn't write in the same line. Okay. NO. Number of cars sold in the first year. Even first year you can write like this. Okay, even the word you can write. If it is the place there, then you can write. Otherwise, you can write 1 ST apostrophe. Number of cars sold in the first year is equal to how many cars? 478. 417, 8 ones. Then number of cars sold in the second year. So what is the second year counter? 245, 200, 410, 5 ones. You have to write, you have to mention in the correct place values. Then we have to add from ones place value. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 ones is equal to what? 110, 3 ones. 110, 3 ones. So 3 comes to the ones place, 1 should goes to the tens carry forward. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 tens is equal to what? 100, 2 tens. 100, 2 tens. So 2 tens will come to the tens row. 100 will goes to the carry forward as a tens row. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 2 is 10.
2,
700, 210, 3 ones. 700, 210, 3 one is 723. Here they here plus. Okay. Now answer is equal to 723 cars. You have to write at last. Okay. Okay. Will you all do this? Okay. So the next sum like that only. There are 410 mangoes in an orchard and 300 are
Only ma'am, only 3 minutes is there.
yes ma'am. So the next sum you are going to do. Okay, yes. Ma'am, can you explain the activity?
Yes, yes. Yes. Children, you see here, this is the wheel. Ma'am,
Yes, yes ma'am.
yes. See here, children, this is the addition wheel. Okay, in your workbook, those who are having workbook, they can see the workbook and they can draw it. And those who are not having, we will send this activity to you in the class group. Okay, so this is the activity about addition wheel. Okay, so the first big wheel is there. Inside that, one small wheel is there. And the another one is the third wheel is the small 100. Okay, you have to make 100. Okay, so here in the blue sketch you can see.
100 Mac 100 எழுதணும்
Now please mute. Please mute.
100.
Yes.
எழுதணும்
Ma'am, little enlarge. Is it possible? Yes.
கலரிங் எல்லாம்
Yes. One.
Parents, kindly mute yourself. Somebody unmute and talking. It's disturbing
no
the class.
problem.
Kindly
Okay.
mute yourself.
Yes, we will start from pink. 0 plus 100 is equal to 100. 1 plus 109 is equal to 100. Okay, so like this you have to draw it. So 10 plus 90, 9 is not visible. So that is 90, green color. 10 plus 90 is equal to 100. So like this you have to make it 100. Or 50 plus 50, you can make 100. Yes, so you can spin the wheel. Okay, if we spin the wheel, it will come 100. Okay, so you write down 2 numbers and you can spin the wheel and you will get the same sketches color will make you 100. Okay, so
Actually, that is addition with the 100, ma'am.
yeah, addition
100 plus 1 is equal to 101.
100 plus 1 is equal to 101. 100 plus 0 is equal to, yes,
100 plus
Yes,
9
yes.
is equal to 109. Likewise, 100 plus 10 is
Yes,
equal to
yes, yes.
110.
addition will make it
22
the
is
way.
equal to 122. Likewise, you can
Yes,
make
yes.
any
It's not visible fully. Yeah. Yes.
100 plus 50
Yes.
is equal to 150.
Yes, you add the 100 with the number and write the answer in the big wheel. Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am. So, children, I hope you all might enjoy the class. Okay, practice well and do your class works and workbook. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt?
பேசலாமா
Any doubt?
You want to do this activity?
Yes.
Yes, we'll send you the photo and